Second equation we have here is 1 over lambda. The state is equals to 27 power lambda. The first thing you should do here is to bring out this lambda here. You can do that by multiplying it by the reciprocal of lambda. So you have here 1 over lambda to the power of 1 over lambda equals to 27 power lambda multiplied by 1 over lambda. So this and this will go. The left hand side now will become 1 over lambda all to the power of 1 over lambda equals to 27. 27 is now free. So we don't have problem here. So 1 over lambda to the power of 1 over lambda equals to, you can break 27 to 3 cubed because 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. So just observe, the base is now equals to 3 and the power also equals to 3. This implies that 1 over lambda will be equals to 3. So from here, you can solve for lambda. This time you see you have 3 lambda will be equals to 1. So the purpose by 3 to get here lambda. This and this. That means lambda will be equals to 1 over 3. That's all about it. Please share this video.